Well, look, the Pakistani people need to be able to elect their leaders. That's the way democracy should work. So I was disturbed by many of the allegations of irregularities in the voting, which is why I wrote a public letter to the Pakistani ambassador here in the United States, outlining my concerns, calling for a thorough investigation of the allegations, because it's very important that the will of the people be respected. Well, I believe in a transparent process, and I think public hearings are a way to, get information out, truthful information. And so this will be an opportunity for senators to ask questions and for the Assistant Secretary to answer them. Because, again, I believe in transparency, getting to the truth, and I do believe that that kind of open public dialogue is a way to do it. So I'm sure there'll be lots of questions.